As an engineer or analyst, you already know that a simple cloud data platform can get you up and running very quickly. It helps you collaborate seamlessly across different systems and make decisions at lightning speed. But when things get complicated with managing complex parallel pipelines, as well as virtual infrastructure and writing manual scripts, it can feel like a never-ending obstacle course. So, what if you could make life easier? What if you could simplify your data platform architecture? Matillion's Data Productivity Cloud is your team's best friend. It helps bridge any gaps in data transformation skills and easily handles complex pipelines. Plus, cloud-native architecture and simplified deployment options allow you to get started right away. At the heart of the Data Productivity Cloud is Matillion's Pipeline OS. It uses microservice agents to seamlessly move data and automatically scale pipelines with no intervention required. We also offer two simple ways to kickstart your journey: full SaaS or hybrid SaaS. Full SaaS is ideal for teams that don't have the time or resources to manage an integration architecture. They just want to sign in and go. Matillion takes the wheel and hosts Pipeline OS for you. You just log in and start building pipelines. And hybrid SaaS is for organizations that either want more control over their technology stack, have data sovereignty requirements, or both. Pipeline OS runs within your virtual private cloud in your cloud data platform. Our data processing and pipeline control isn't just talk. It's about keeping your data secure, making sure the right folks have access, and having one central hub to manage everything. Plus, we're constantly adding new features with our continuous release cycles. This means you're always staying up to date, equipped with the latest and greatest features, with no need for manual tinkering. Now, let's talk about architecture. In Matillion, the control plane, where the pipelines are built and managed, is decoupled from the data plane, where the data is processed. This means that you can build, save, and orchestrate pipelines in Matillion's web-based designer while leaving the cloud-hosted agents to process the actual data. And the best part, your data never leaves your environment. So you can maintain a strong security posture wherever you choose to host the agents. We've also made our interface super easy to use. You can use Python, script your own SQL, or just drag and drop. It's your call. And here's the icing on the cake. We've simplified our pricing, allowing you to only pay for what you use. And there are no hidden fees or performance taxes. In other words, if a pipeline isn't running, you aren't being charged. The bottom line is, more pipelines shouldn't mean more problems. So deploy how you want, code how you need, and let Matillion's Data Productivity Cloud work its magic.